Yo, what's going on, guys? Happy Tuesday. Welcome back to a trade recap. And I fucked up. I didn't follow my rules. And this is what we're looking at. I'm walking away on today break even. Why am I walking away today break even? Because I let my emotions get to me. That's why. So, pretty much what happened today was we had this huge sell-off in Asia session last night. So today, kind of expect today to be choppy. Now what happened was I wanted to see London low get taken out because I'm bullish. What happens? London low comes down, takes it out. Let me delete all these drawings here quickly. So, start off on the daily. Alright, I'm still pretty bullish because of the way the candles are coming. And then if we look at the 4 hour, we're expecting this 4 hour fair value gap, and we're kind of just trickling up, right? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, etc. So like, me personally, I'm like, okay, well, definitely got to be bullish. I think so. I think we're bullish for sure. Then like I came down to the 1 hour, and on the 1 hour we were respecting, maybe it wasn't the 1 hour, I lied, guys, sorry about that. I was looking at the fair value gap here. So one of the things that brought my confidence down was the fact that we didn't have any 1 hour fair value gaps in this leg to respect, but we did sweep this low here, which is London low, I believe. So we did have SMT at this low. Now that's what I wanted to see. I wanted to see London low be traded down to. What happened was we traded, came back up, and then traded lower, creating this huge SMT. So I'm like, perfect. External SMT, lovely. I love it. And this is where I kind of got 50-50 with the trade. So what we're going to do is we're going to drop down to the 15. You guys will see we have that SMT with London low. London low never actually gets swept on ES. So I'm like, okay, we have SMT with London low. I love the look of this setup already. Now what I want to see, are we an internal fair value gap or external or higher time frame PD rate, which we weren't. We had no 15, we had no 1 hour, we had no 4 hour. But what we did have was this little tiny 5 minute all the way in premium, or in discount. Not to mention, we traded back towards EQ. As you can see, we're rejecting this 5 minute fair value gap really nicely. So trade lower and started rejecting it very nicely. Okay, awesome, perfect. There's my higher time frame PDA. It does take the setup from A plus to maybe an A to a B plus. Taking a look here, you guys can obviously see the small SMT here dropping down to the 1 minute time frame is gonna show it even more. Dropping down the 1 minute, we have this internal SMT right here. So now what do I look for? I'm looking for the first presented fair value gap. That's the biggest one, which is this guy right here. We shot right through this 4 minute. I entered on this 4 minute fair value gap. Obviously stop is at the low, which, to be fair, it could have been placed a little better. It could have been at this low here because I think, hold on, never mind, no. So that's the SMT low. So we put the stop at the low, and then obviously we go 1 to 2. And as of right now, we aren't quite there yet, but we're starting to trade 2 there, which is right before the sell side or buy side liquidity, but it looks like we're starting to tank now. But anyways, this would have at least been a 1-to-1 stop out at break even, and then, or this would have been at least a 1-to-1 taking partials and then letting the rest run, which it is a big trade, a 158 point trade with a 78 point stop. So it is pretty big. Now, the reason why I got stopped out at break even was because I let this get to my head here, but we started respecting this 4 minute fair value gap here. So we're chopping. You guys can see this. Like, this is just chop, chop, chop. And then we started respecting this again, respecting it again. So I decided, fuck, like, I'm just going to close it. I'm going to move stop to break even. And what happened on this one, we came down, came down, stopped me out, pushed up, breaks this fair value gap, comes back to retest one more time, and then starts making the move to the upside. So I missed this entire move, and honestly, I deserve it because I didn't follow my rules, which my rules do state 1-to-1, take partials, move stop to break even, and this was way before 1-to-1, so that means that I didn't follow my rules. So I did post this on Twitter or X, and I said, I hope this hits take profit because I deserve to miss out on this move because I didn't follow my rules. But anyways, that's how the trade worked today. It was super simple, easy. It was honestly a really good trade other than the fact price action was sucky. And I didn't follow my rules because this is starting to play out really nicely. And to be completely fair, I'm glad it is working out. I'm really glad it is because if it would have failed, I would have probably, knowing me, I probably would have been like, oh yeah, it's break even saved me. But now that it's working out, I'm telling myself I should have followed my rules, which regardless, I should have followed my rules, which is 1-to-1, stop at break even, because I had conviction that this was going to go higher because of it was showing in the market. The chart was showing it, and what's it doing right now? It's trading higher, running towards our take profit. So I deserve this for sure, and this is something I'm definitely going to be marking down in the journal. But so far, for forward testing / trades wise, we're 2-0 on the week. We had a full TP yesterday, and then this today, but none of them were taken. So there's something I'm going to jot down and journal for myself to come in tomorrow with better psychology, and just follow every single rule, regardless if it hits take profit or not. So anyways, guys, let me know how you did today. Did you guys take a trade? Are you green, red, blue, break even? I don't know. But yeah, anyways, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It means a lot. Comment down below what you guys would like to see in the future if you guys took a trade today. If you guys want to join the free Discord, link will be in the description. 100% free. And I'll see you guys in the next video.